You know, it occurred to me that if I'm ever told I can't eat sea scallops anymore, I'll be cool with it. I really will, because I've got trumpet mushrooms. And we're gonna make a pasta. So get that water as salty as the sea and get your spaghetti in there. Cook only for about 6 or 7 minutes until al dente. You can save that pasta water. I poured mine out, but I seasoned my pasta with a little olive oil, some spices, red pepper flakes rubbed between my fingers to release their natural essence, and a little Badia complete seasoning. Give that a stir and maybe add a couple of tablespoons of butter and fresh thyme. Oh, now this is almost a dish that you could eat on its own, right? Look at these noodles. Oh my God, they look so delicious, but it's only the base for what we will be doing next. Now for the trumpet mushrooms. Get your ends chopped off. You can save it for a mushroom stock or something, but you want this. Little discs, and then season it up with some basil, paprika, tahini, I don't know what that is, and give it all a mix. Season it with whatever you like. A little salt, pepper. Now let it marinate. Now for our garlic and onions. We want to get these finely diced so that they can get all softened and sweet in our pan. Now toss in some spinach just to soften a little bit along with your softened veggies. And add a little bit of the treatment. That's a little white wine, but you can use stock or water if you want white wine. Just makes it fancy schmancy. Take those pan goodies along with an avocado, a clove of garlic, and blend. You've got a green sauce now that can be used for dressings, you name it. All right, now for the scallops. Give them a nice little sear on both sides until they start looking scallopy. And all I've got these cooking in is just a little bit of butter and a little bit of oil. That gives your scallops this nice buttery, silky finish. They are looking quite scallopy. I can't wait. Add a few sprigs of thyme and just let it work. Now once you've gotten a nice little sear and they've been softened a little bit, remove them, but keep that pan goodie for your pasta. Yeah. Let's plate green sauce on our trollops, some diced onions, and voila. Baby, that's 5-star. That's 5-star. It's trollop pasta. A trumpet mushroom as a sea scallop. Sugar pearls is food that loves you back. Eat good, sugar.